Are you ready to ace the TOEFL listening section? The TOEFL listening section tests your ability to understand spoken English. It includes conversations and lectures from academic settings. You will hear different accents and various subject matters. This prepares you for real-world interactions. The section consists of 6 to 9 listening passages. You answer questions based on what you hear. Each passage varies in length and difficulty. The questions will require focusing on main ideas, specific details, and speaker intent. Active listening is key. Take notes during the audio to remember crucial points. Managing your time is essential. You have about 60 to 90 minutes to complete this section, so practice pacing yourself. Use authentic resources to prepare. Listen to lectures, podcasts, or educational videos in English. Practice identifying tone, purpose, and context. Understanding these elements can boost your comprehension significantly. Now, imagine you're listening to a college lecture. This situation is similar to what you'll encounter. Focus on recognizing cause-effect relationships in the content. This skill helps answer complex questions. Remember, preparation is vital. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. In summary, focus on active listening and practice with real materials. Are you ready to elevate your TOEFL skills? Join Transform Academy's course today. Click the link in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.